happy holidays, Danny Salim. We're out here at the City and County Building in Denver, Colorado, wanting to send you very happy wishes. Here's Jenna Carbone.
Hi, Danny. I remember your name. Calling. Just wanting to say hi. As you can see, it's the year 2077. Wishing you a happy holidays to you and yours. We just want to send you a little video and let you know that we miss you and love you and hope that you'll come back. But in the meantime, we'll call you soon. We love you. Yep.
Hi, Danny. We're out here thinking about you all the time. We loved your video and we played all the time and go, Danny, we can't wait to see you. So yeah, we just wanted to say hi. We miss you a lot. Love you, and I really hope I can get out to Syria. Maybe in the summer, come and hang out. Otherwise, you're coming back to America. We're gonna make it happen. It's gonna be great. This is really awkward.
Do a snow angel list.
In the ground right now?
Right now.
It snowed Wednesday morning.
No, Danny.
Here's my snow angel.
You have snow in Syria. Liz's doing a snow angel.
Doesn't work because there's not snow.
But she looks great doing it.
Anyway.
Danny, we love you.
Love you. We miss you.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Danny. Wish you were here, Danny. Bye-bye.
That was a quick one. All right. Say hi.
Danny, I miss you because we're always going on these epic hikes together, and now I'm by myself.
This isn't true. She's with us.
Hi, Danny. It's Jen. Remember me?
Hey, Danny.
We had some good times.
He doesn't remember anyone important, so.
Ooh,
You wouldn't
that's
remember.
trash talking.
This is the
You're not here to
woods.
defend yourself.
The woods.
got cactus things in my ass.
Did you hear that? Adam has cactus things in his ass. Okay.
Hi, Danny.
Talk to you later. Happy Saturday. We just wanted to bring you back to the great American tradition of Saturday afternoon football, because we're sure that you miss it a lot. So this is the Virginia Tech Boston College championship game. You're just gonna love it.
Show my tree.
Oh, here we go. We're gonna zoom over to our tree. Let me zoom out of the camera. That is our Christmas tree. I can't zoom out. Anyway, it's not that big. It just looks really big. So that's our tree. Okay, great. We miss you. Bye.
Hi, Danny. Love you.
Here's Jenna. Bye. Hi, Danny. It's a couple of hours later, and we're still watching football because it's Saturday. Football in America. All right, now here is a new addition to the apartment. Colleen O'Grady. A few things to say.
Hey, Danny. How are you? I'm sitting at a kitchen table and I'm really lonely because you're not here drinking tea or pressuring me to drink coffee with you. And you're not yelling at me, but I'm not reading the newspapers, so anyways, I miss you and I hope you're well.
Danny, I showered since we last left.
Yay! Oh, I did too. Goodbye.
Bye.